going to listen something, okay? And I would like you to guess what is that. We're going to listen to two different sounds, and I would like you to tell me what is that, okay? Are you ready? Ready? What is that?
It's an airplane.
What is that? Wait. Can we do the action?
Ariana,
Very good. So what is this? What is that? What is that?
It's an airplane.
So what is this? It's a train. Very good. What is this? Listen. Listen. What is that? A car. Ready? Would you like to do that again? So what is that? A car.
You thought it was a tracker.
Would you like to do that again? Yeah. Get to the train.
Ariana,
Remember to the train. Very good. Faster like this. Very good. Ariana, think of the train.
Oh, catch train.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Doo-doo. Very good. Now you're ready for the next one. What is this? We're driving now. Ariana, we're driving. Driving. Very good.
Yeah.